And welcome to another coding tutorial. In this lesson, I'll be talking about global and local variables in regards to scope. A variable's scope determines where the variable can be used inside of that program. Variables and function parameters created inside the function both have local scope, meaning any variable created inside a function starts and ends inside of that function. So let's start with what a global variable is. A global variable is a variable declared outside of all the functions. Global variables can be referenced from anywhere in the program, even inside other functions. But only after its declaration. A local variable, on the other hand, is one declared within the body of a function or block of code. A local variable's scope exists between the function's curly braces. The local variable will exist only within that function, meaning no other function can access or make a reference to that variable. I've created some code earlier on to give us some understanding of scope. As you can see in front of you, I've made several variables and I've made two functions. One of those functions being our main function, the other being function. The variables up here are global variables, meaning they have global scope. This means they can be accessed and used within anywhere in the program, even inside our function and main function. The variables inside function, however, are local variables, meaning they have local scope. This means they can only be used within the function. This means that the variables inside function start and end in function. The variables in main are also like the variables in function. They are local variables and have local scope, meaning they can only be used within the main function. So just remember, variables declared and initialized within their function are local variables and have local scope, whereas variables created outside of functions are global variables and have global scope, meaning they can be accessed anywhere in the program. And that ends this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you learned something, please give me a thumbs up. And remember, subscribe to my channel.